So what's going on, guys? In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create soft UI shapes, or I would like to show you how to design soft and clean UI shapes that you can use as a background for cards or buttons or anything else which you want. So to make these type of UI or shapes, you what you have to do is just change the background of this landing page, okay, this page. So I have choose this F1, okay, F1, F3 and F6. So this is my background color, and after that choose any type of shapes which you want to create. So I have choose this rectangle tool and then create this rectangle, and then just recreate or create the radius around the rectangle. And what next, just untick the border and then take the shadow and change or manipulate all these X positions, Y positions and the blur. Okay, so start with the x-axis. So change the 0 to 30% or x-axis, change the 30 to x-axis and change to 30 to y-axis, and also change the blur of this shape about 80%. Okay, so these are the three values you have to change. And the third step is you have to change the color. So I have choose this white, pure white color. And what next, just duplicate by pressing Alt and drag it. Okay, so it will automatically duplicate, and just put it over the rectangle. Okay, so what you have to do next is just change the value of, let's minus 30. Okay, this is the second rectangle, and change all the x-axis, y-axis and blur and shadow, all the properties of the second rectangle. Okay, so it will also minus 30, and the background, or we can say that the blur effect is same as the previous shape, and change the shadow, we can say that shadow default white, and change the background of this shape. So what I have to do is just select the, or you can choose the eyedropper tool and just select the background color of your page. Okay, and after that the opacity of 100%, change the opacity. So you can see that this is the very clean UI you have created in this. So you can create these type of effect on your own, and thank you so much to